Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable notification sounds for your private chats on the Telegram app for PC. If you've noticed that you're not hearing message alerts lately, don't worry. This quick guide will show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see three short lines stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Click on it to open Telegram's main sidebar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can adjust all your preferences for the app. Inside the Settings menu, click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you about new messages and activity. Now, look for the option called Private Chats. This is the category that handles notifications for one-on-one conversations. Click on Private Chats to open the available settings. Here you'll see several options related to how you're notified. To enable sound alerts, find the toggle switch or checkbox next to sound. If it's turned off, simply click it once to turn it on. After doing this, you'll know it's activated when the switch appears highlighted or moves to the on position, depending on your interface. Once you've enabled the sound for private chats, Telegram will now play an alert each time someone sends you a direct message. You can also explore other options here like vibration, pop-up notifications, or message preview settings to customize your experience just the way you like. That's it. You've successfully turned on notification sounds for your private chats in the Telegram desktop app.